What are typical sources for gathering data? Common sources for data collection include surveys, experiments, administrative records, databases, internet and social media, observation, and interviews. How do univariate and multivariate data differ? Provide examples. Multivariate data involves analyzing more than one variable to understand relationships and patterns between them, such as comparing the heights, weights, and grades of students in a class, and univariate data involves the analysis of a single variable to understand its pattern, such as the height of students in a class. What are categorical variables, and can you provide examples? Categorical variables are types of data that can be divided into groups or categories that do not have a numerical value. Examples include gender, male, female, non-binary, types of cuisine, Italian, Chinese, Indian, and yes/no responses. Identify the key features of big data. The primary characteristics of big data are often summarized by the three V's: volume, huge amounts of data; velocity, speed at which new data is generated and collected; and variety, different types of data, structured and unstructured, like text, images, and videos. Some also add additional V's, including veracity, accuracy of the data, and value, usefulness of the data. In what ways is big data utilized in the realm of social media? Big data in social media is used to analyze user behavior, preferences, and trends to enhance user experience, target advertisements, recommend content, predict future trends, and gain insights into public opinion and sentiments on various topics. Gather information on 50 motor vehicles that pass by your residence, noting the quantity of wheels each has, as well as its color. Present this information using a dot plot for visual comparison. Discuss your findings with peers to see how your observations align. Determine which vehicle color appears most frequently, and identify the least common type of vehicle based on the number of wheels it has. For an applied project, construct a bar graph or dot plot based on your peers' observations to visually represent the data collected. For answer, you will need to follow the steps given below one by one. Step 1. To collect data on 50 motor vehicles, you would need to find a suitable location where you can observe and record information about each vehicle. For each vehicle, note the number of wheels it has. Most cars will have 4, motorcycles 2, but you might also see bicycles or vehicles with more wheels, and its color. Step 2. Create a simple table to record your observations. For example, Step 3. Once you have your data of 50 vehicles, you can analyze it to find the most common vehicle color and the least common type of vehicle based on the number of wheels. Step 4. Share your findings with peers and compare observations. This could reveal interesting patterns, such as regional preferences for vehicle colors or types. Step 5. After color observed, we will need to create bar graph visualizing the hypothetical data on the frequency of vehicle colors, as shown below.